This cow's name is Abby. So first of all, you dip her with iodine. The iodine is what acts as a disinfectant. You let that set for 30 seconds. And then you come in and you squirt her each quarter out, because this is where the milk with the highest bacteria in it is in the first couple squirts. And then you dry it off really well with a towel. Get the milker. And then the milker, you push in this button on the bottom to get suction. Like that. And then you put it on each quarter to milk her out. And then it takes about 5 minutes and she'll be done. All done milking. If you look right here, there's no milk coming in through here. That's how you know she's all done. You can feel her bag and it's all squishy now instead of all puffed out, so you know there's no milk left in there. So all we do is pull down on that little black button again, and that releases the suction, and then it'll just fall right off. Just like that. And then we dip them with iodine again, and she's all done.